Hey everybody, it's me, Mary. I wanted to go over passive profits with you today. It is the newest, hottest postcard program that's out there by far. This is an overview of my website when you decide to join Passive Profits. I'm just going to give you a little bit of what you can expect to receive when you join this awesome program. You go ahead and look down here, you're going to see community weekly member training, team resource website, a done-for-you mailing option. They close 100% of your sales. You get a personal success coach. There are no monthly membership fees, and there is a massive bonus startup when you decide to join this program. When you get into this program, first thing you're going to want to do is review the information. You're going to want to get your referral ID, the person who referred you to the program. Everybody's going to have an ID number. You just list that number, and then you're going to have them call the toll-free number listed right here below at 1-800-474-1375. Give them the referral ID number, and then you're going to get that person started. It's going to end up calling the sales closer, and that person is going to close your sale for you. So why does this program work? Like it says here, it's no secret that the vast majority of people who try making money fail, and not just by a little, they usually never make a dime. This program is set up for you to be successful. That's why they've eliminated all the time-consuming tasks, and they just give you what has been given to prove and proven to generate the team members anywhere from 5K to 10K a month. Now, there are 3 simple steps that you need to do when you get started with this program. You can choose your income, how much you want to make per month. We have different levels, 6 different levels that you can choose from when you want to join. Next one is get started and get connected. Once you're part of the team, they'll walk you through every step of the way. And the third part is to mail the postcards. If you don't want to mail the postcards yourselves, they have a service that does all the mailing for you, puts the labels on, puts the address, return address on there, puts the stamp on, and puts it in the mailbox. It's that simple. They do all the work for you. So if you want to have that service done for you, then you can choose that option. This is an overview of what the postcard looks like when you decide to join. Right down here is where your ID number is going to be. And then finally, these are the levels that you can come in at. Featherweight 100, lightweight 300, welterweight 500, middleweight 1000. You've got the 2000 cruiserweight and the 4000 heavyweight. So they have a position for anybody to come in at, from the lowest level to the highest level. So come in where you fit in. Just want to get started and get you going today. Also with this program, I'm going to come over here. They have our Facebook group. And this is Ontarian and his wife, Kimmy. They're the creators, the founders of this program. This is where you're going to come to get all kinds of information about our program. Here it shows videos of people that have gotten their welcome kit. Anybody that wants to ask questions can ask questions. Does our program work? Here's a post from Ontarian. Congrats, Nicholas, who just made his first $50. Lance and Barb, they made $1,000. And his latest post, Passive Profits has done over $100,000 in sales in just a few weeks. All praises to Most High God. Many of our members are now making money daily. We are just getting started. So this is the hottest, newest program on the market, Passive Profits. If you want to get started in this, I urge you to get back with me. I'll be happy to give you my ID number, get you the phone number to call, and we can get you started so that you can fire your boss. I also wanted to take you over here to my YouTube channel, Creating Success with Mary Swadlinka. Here I have listed the videos that I have created. New promotion with Impact Mailing Club, Passive Profits, is it a scam? Passive Profits, is it making people money? There's quite a few videos on here, a lot of testimonials. Feel free to check out the videos. Make sure you like, comment, and share on my videos. And like I said, Passive Profits, is it a scam? Let's just review this video. This is Ontaran Hawkins. He's the founder, and this is his wife. They are co-owners in this program, Passive Profits, that I've been telling you about. This is a video that explains about the program, why it got started, how you can benefit from the program, and basically, if you want to get started, just refer the link ID number of the person that you had. Get that ID number, go ahead and call the toll-free number, and we'd be happy to get you started in this amazing program. Here's the number to call, 1-800-474-1375, and that is ID number 5. So you're going to want to get started in this program. The sooner you do it, the more you're going to be excited and see the great benefits of joining this program. And you will eventually be able to fire your boss, guaranteed. So if you want to work from home, Postcard program, Passive Profits is the way to go. Just feel free to check this out. Get back with me, and I'll be happy to get you to moving forward. Have a great day.